Today, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from your photographic images with an amazing app called Lensa, which is available as a free download on the Apple Store and also on Google Play. The free version is limited to 3 image edits per day, but you can unlock the full version, and that's going to cost around $7.95 per month, or if you take the yearly membership, it's around $30 per year. So if you want to unlock all of the features and have access to unlimited editing, you can certainly upgrade to the paid version. If you don't want to pay for it and you download the free version, be sure not to hit the restore purchase option or respond to any of the nagware that will appear during the use of the application, which are quite plentiful, I might add. I've tested it out with a number of selfie images and it does create a very clean cutout. There was one instance where I was wearing a set of headphones and I noticed the cutout wasn't as accurate as it should have been, so it might not work for all of your selfie images, but the idea would be to make sure that you have a very plain or generic background behind you, keeping it as simple as possible, and it should do a very decent job of creating that cutout for you. Now, beyond this, you can also take advantage of some of the built-in AI technology that allows you to create a more flattering selfie image. There's a whole range of sliders that can adjust your skin tone, remove blemishes automatically, whiten your teeth, brighten your eyes, and even fix lens distortions. So a whole range of really cool features to help master your selfie image. Let's get started. When you first open the app, you'll notice there's a plus button icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Tap on it to add your images. You can scroll down and select single images or multiple images to add to the app all at one time. It might take a few seconds to import, but once imported, you'll end up on the first screen, which is for the face, and you can tap on the large magic correction button to automatically apply corrections to your selfie image. You can then tap on the plus and minus buttons in order to reduce or increase the amount of manipulation on the image. And you can also use the manual sliders to adjust the amount of retouching that has been applied. A lot of features here that I tend not to use, as I prefer to have a natural looking selfie image. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get back to the original image. And now I'm going to go straight into the background section by tapping on the background tab. The first slider allows you to adjust the background blur, and you can even add the bokeh effect on your images, which is kind of simulating the effect that you can often see in very expensive prime lenses with wide open aperture. So that's a pretty cool effect that you can apply if you're wanting just to add interest to the existing background. But in this tutorial, I want to show you how to completely get rid of the background and replace it with a completely different image. So to do that, we're going to tap on the replace background button at the base of the screen, and then we'll slide along to the right hand side and tap on some of the existing backgrounds that are available in the Lensa app. And as you can see, there are plenty to choose from, including abstracts and landscapes. So once you find the one that you're happy with, you can just tap on it and apply that background to the image. You can also apply your own unique backgrounds from your camera roll by tapping on the plus button icon in the thumbnail strip at the base of the screen. Then you can go and select the photo that you'd like to use from your camera roll on the iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit me up with a like and consider subscribing to the channel so that you're notified of up and coming video releases. And as always, if you have any questions about the content you've seen today, feel free to put them in the comments box below. And remember, Lensa is available as a free download on both the Apple Store and Google Play, and you can unlock all of its features and get unlimited editing on as many photos as you like by upgrading to the paid version, which will cost anywhere from $7 a month or $30 a year, depending on the payment plan you select. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.